Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of vibrant lip colors that not only look stunning but feel amazing too, then today's review might just be your new lip obsession. We're talking about the Wet n Wild Liquid Lipstick Cloud Pout Marshmallow, a matte lip cream mousse that promises to give your lips a sweet treat with a soft, dreamy finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. This liquid lipstick comes with a high pigment, high impact formula that's designed to deliver rich color in a single swipe. Infused with marshmallow powder, it's ultra creamy and gives your lips a bouncy, cloud-like texture. But what really sets it apart from the countless other liquid lipsticks out there are the lip-loving ingredients. We're talking argan oil, avocado oil, and vitamin E, which help keep your lips nourished and hydrated while you rock that matte finish. And for all of us looking for some hydration, this lipstick features sodium hyaluronate to lock in moisture and smooth the appearance of fine lines. So how does it feel in real life? Let me walk you through my experience. First off, the texture is nothing like I expected from a typical matte lipstick. It's super creamy, almost like a mousse, and glides on effortlessly. It doesn't tug or dry out your lips as some mattes tend to do. Instead, it feels hydrating, and after a few minutes, it settles into that velvety matte finish that still feels comfortable throughout the day. One of the things I love most about it is the color payoff. A single swipe gives you intense color that's even across the lips. And even though it's matte, my lips still felt soft and nourished, not dry or cracked. Now, as far as longevity goes, it holds up pretty well through light meals and drinks, but you might need to reapply after a heavy meal. Of course, no product is perfect, and here are a few things to keep in mind. While the formula is hydrating, it's not completely transfer-proof, which can be a little annoying if you're used to lipsticks that last through everything. Also, the color, light pink cloud chaser, is a soft pastel shade, which might not be everyone's cup of tea. It looks beautiful on fair to medium skin tones, but those with deeper complexions may find it doesn't pop as much as they'd like. Now, when it comes to value for money, this one's a winner. Wet n Wild products are known for being affordable, and this one is no exception. Considering the hydration, the nourishing ingredients, and the high-quality formula, it really delivers at its price point. It's not a luxury product, but for everyday wear, it definitely punches above its weight. If you're wondering how it compares to other liquid lipsticks in the market, there are a few options that come close, but none offer this level of hydration in a matte formula. Some of the more premium brands might give you longer-lasting wear, but you'd pay a lot more for those, and they don't always offer the same moisturizing properties. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The tube is easy to handle, and the applicator is well designed for precise application. I've had no issues with the product breaking down or spilling, which is always a plus. So, who is this for? If you're someone who loves a soft matte finish, but doesn't want to sacrifice hydration, this could be a great choice. It's ideal for those who have dry lips or are looking for a lip color that's easy to wear all day without feeling uncomfortable. If you're looking for an ultra-long-lasting, transfer-proof formula, this might not be your best bet. But if you're into a comfortable, everyday lip that nourishes as it colors, you'll love this. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.